Hi, guys. Hey, there's another problem. There is a big problem. Not our tracker expect being heavily exposed or seriously exposed by Patricia Marshall. And I'm like, huh? She went down. Hey, it turns out that this person, Aibo, they are busy searching her on the system and they can't find her. It appears like this person, there's a lot of clouds around her. And I know you will say, but Bongs, how does that interfere with her testimony? If her identity is questioned, then her testimony must be questioned too. As simple as that. Patricia Marshall posted and said, so Maria Elizabeth Pretorius is a former police officer who registered from South African Police Service in 2016 as a sergeant, and she was re-enlisted in 30 September 2021. Now, it disagrees with what she told the court. And remember, there must be consequences for lying under oath. You don't lie under oath. But this one, let me tell you something. If you remember what she said, she told us that she was with Tracker until 2021. She was never a police officer until 2021. She only became a police officer in 2021. So when Patricia Marshall comes with this information to say, this person was once listed and deregistered and listed again, then it means that the story that she's been with Tracker must be questioned. It's called Connect Tracker. It must be questioned. How true and reliable is that information? Let's move to this one. Then she says, let me rather say, Maria Elizabeth Van Dijk was a former police officer and re-enlisted on 30 September 2021 as a Soweto K9 unit. Now, listen to this one. There is her names. Have you noticed that they have now changed? The same names. It's like this person has got multiple identity. Now, guys, I want you to understand something. Lying under oath is a serious crime. The court can find you guilty for lying under oath. To which extent Gininda and his team are gonna call people that are that has got questionable reputation? At first, one key witness that has a questionable reputation. Zungu the liar. Yeah, I've never seen a man who lied like Zungu. But it appears like we thought Zungu was the only liar who took the cup. The identity of this one. Gininda, and Gininda has started again. Take a look at one. Don't leave the look. You know what I'm saying? Leave the location. But you know what you need to do? Guys, let's take the channel to 60,000 subscribers. We can do it. So the journey begins with you. And this is where the journey begins. Here. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Patricia Marshall then said the following. She said, she is working at the Soweto Canaan unit as Maria Elizabeth Ramalabela, not Van Wyk, not Pretorius. Hey, Lalelanda, this person has changed 3 surnames now. Pretorius, Ubando, Van Wyk, and now what we have at Canaan, what it is, Ramalabela, not Van Wyk, not Pretorius. So 3 identity, 1 person. She then continues to say, it means that she has misrepresented herself in court as Maria Elizabeth Pretorius. She said, Patricia Marshall, who is Maria Elizabeth Pretorius? Van Wyk Ramalobela. Who is this woman? Double identity. In fact, it's triple identity. What then Patricia Marshall did, she took us, she showed us a screenshot of this work as an evidence to say this, what she's saying, she found it in the system. And this same person here is divorced, by the way. Divorced on 20/03/2024. That she divorced on the 20th of March 2024. Hey guys, why am I Van Wyk, Maria Elizabeth? We are being shown. I'm reading the details the details from Patricia Marshall here that she has shared with us. I'm reading them here and I'm saying to myself, we are seeing her personal number. Name is Ramalobela M. Hey, my daughter. Hey, guys. Kahle. What is going on? Why does Gininda seems to have shaky? Why does it seem like Gininda has got shaky or has got dodgy people that are following, or that he is called? Like, there are people with upstanding and straight character and everything. I think Umjali, the guy who works at SAPS 13, it's the guy who was giving us blood, who was dealing with the forensic, the blood testing, whatever. It's called what? The DNA. 2 most honest and reliable witnesses. And then it's who? I'm trying to check. There are witnesses that we felt, okay, this one is reliable. I'm just thinking right now, the ones that are coming to my mind. But then, for the fact that we are searching for people that were reliable, whereas we have so many witnesses, it shows that we had so many people who were unreliable. Guys, why does the state and the Gininda team seems to have a group of people whose character is questionable? Why does it seem like the team is composed of people whose character and identity is questionable? And that worries me more than anything else. That worries me. I'm very worried. And I think you yourself, you should be worried about the caliber of witnesses here. But let's leave it here for today, with the hope that we'll see each other on the next episode. But until such a time, good people, please take care.